Welcome back, crew. Batten down the hatches. Today we got a video. It's a little different. We got the renaming of our boat. It's a whole process that not really big on superstition, but why chance it? Got my scurvy fighter here on my squid cup. Got this disc. Got a bunch of little suction cups on it. Sticks, and then it's got a magnetic backing. Great for the boat so it won't slide off the table. So what's going to happen in the video is it's about a 4-part process. First, of course, would be taking the names off the boat and removing any trace of it. Next would be to ask Poseidon for the blessing, and then return the name back to Poseidon, ask for a blessing again. Next, we would need to appease or ask for thanks from the wind gods. Great Boreas, Great Zephyrus, Great Euros, and Great Nautis. I do apologize if I said those wrong. The next, we'd christen the boat, and then after that we had a wonderful little yacht party with all the other marine patrons.
Almighty and great ruler of the seas and oceans, to whom all ships and we who venture upon your vast domain are required to pay homage, I implore you in your gracious to expunge of all time from your records and recollection the name Slow Ride,
Take it easy.
which has ceased to be an entity in your kingdom. As proof thereof, we submit this ignet bearing her name to be corrupted through your powers and forever be purged from the sea.
The ingot is a piece of metal, and we inscribed the name Slow Ride, and thus we had to return it to the sea.
In grateful acknowledgement of your munificence and desperation, we offer these liberations to your majesty and your court. Almighty, great ruler of the seas and oceans, to whom all ships and we who venture upon your vast domain are required to pay homage, I implore you in your gracious to take upon your records and recollection this worthy vessel hereof, and that at all times known as Freedom Wind.
Freedom Wind.
Wearing her as your mighty arm and trident, ensuring her of her safe and rapid passage throughout her journeys within your realm, in appreciation of your fullness, desperation, and in honor of your greatness, we offer these letters to your majesty and your court. Almighty rulers of the winds, through whose power our frail vessel traverse the winds and faces deep, we implore you to grant this worthy vessel. Hey, north now.
Huzzah.
Exalted ruler of the north wind, grant us permission to use your mighty powers in pursuit of our lawful endeavors, ever spurring us, overwhelming scourge of your frigid breath. Great Zephyrus, exalted ruler of the west wind, grant us permission to use your mighty powers in pursuit of our lawful endeavors, ever spurring us the overwhelming spirit of your wild breath.
Oh my God, in there.
Great Ezra, exalted ruler of the east wind, grant us permission to use your mighty powers in pursuit of our lawful endeavors, ever spurring us the overwhelming spirit of your mighty breath.
Alright, coming in fast.
Great notice, exalted ruler of the south wind, grant us permission to use your mighty powers in pursuit of our lawful endeavors, ever spurring us the overwhelming scourge of your scalding breath.
Scalding breath.
I like that. I have that every morning.
That's
Morning breath.
Huzzah! You do it.
So,
Here we go.
that was supposed to be a pre-etched christening bottle with the mesh to
Huzzah!
did what that did.
Pour some on the other side, Jake.
Other side. I got pour some over there.
You're making Neptune mad at us.
Don't do that.
Don't do that, man.
And a cheers to the Freedom Win! Great name.
Yeah. The logo is pretty awesome too, actually.